Welcome to Vestil's booth at ProMat 2025. ProMat's a really important event for our company because it gives us an opportunity to meet with you.
For us at Vestil, it's a great opportunity for us to make that connection with our customer base, with the end users using our solutions in their facilities. A lot of times you don't realize the magnitude of the size of our product. This is a great opportunity to see some of it in action, demo the product.
ProMat is a fantastic opportunity for us to meet with all of our suppliers, all of our distributors in one location. It's also a great opportunity for us to take a look at what else is going on in the industry, hear about market trends and where technology is going.
So this year we are representing many products from many different categories, featuring some fork truck attachments, gantry cranes to packaging equipment. In total, we have 14 categories with over 12,000 active SKUs.
This year, we decided to integrate QR code placards into our booth so that you're able to scan and receive additional information like pricing and availability and other different sizings of our models.
Thanks for stopping by the Vestil booth at ProMat 2025.
And don't forget your bottle opener. We're Vestil Manufacturing. We've got it.